Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the center console on my Volkswagen Golf. And if you do this, these move like this, and that's perfect. But over on this side, the thing is off. And what had happened was, and we'll have a closer look at it, the flaps weren't moving together and they've all come off and they're a bit cracked and damaged. So I'm going to see if I can repair them. And you can see there, that's the fascia that was covering them and holding them in position. And it's got one clip missing, and I didn't break that. It was actually broken before, and you can see a previous repair on this when we get into the workshop. You've got to pop these clips off, and the reality is that you just get a key or something in under here, something with kind of soft edges, and just try and work it loose the whole way around, and then it clips off. And hopefully, somehow, we'll be able to fix this. And so the vent should sit in, you know, quite perfectly on each side, and you can see some of them are working there, but the bottom one's not coming along, and then this one's loose as well, so it's the two bottom ones that aren't working. And it's not a big deal, but I just had a notion to fix it, and I think it's not very hard to fix. So let's lift it off, pull them out. You can see they've got to engage in there in those little tracks, so you got to be kind of careful taking it apart, but not so bad. And this one just rolls side to side. The sun is very strong here today. Right, so it's broken in a couple of spots. So this bit's broken. That should engage with that little hole there, just behind or in front of my finger. There should be a pin on the end of this flap here that goes into this hole. And this little leg here should be connected there. And on the other side, yeah, no, it's okay on the other side. That's cool. So there's only two things then. So what I'm thinking is, if I could pull that like that. Oh, this one's broken as well. Okay. Yeah, so it was all a bit messed up. So what I'm thinking is, if I could put a sewing pin that's chopped off as a tiny pivot nail through this hole, that's about the right size, and into the plastic of the flap, it might hold it together. And then, because you can see there's residue, someone's tried to glue it before and that obviously doesn't work. And then for this one, I don't know what to do there. Maybe like use the pin as a nail and kind of force it down through. Okay, so I've got the vent louvers held into the little vise. I'm going to try and freehand it with a battery drill. So what I'm hoping for here is to line it up. Let's see. I'm hoping to line up. Oh, I've got it the wrong around. So to line up the pin here with the little hole here. Let's get these in the positions that I want them in, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So this should have a pin like this, and the next one, not the next one, but this one here. So we might be able to get 4 out of 5 going, which would be better than 2 out of 5, which did nothing really. Now where's that? I can't feel the hole now. So that's strange. There it is. So that's the mechanism there now, with pins in place. And it's just this bit here, which is going to be difficult. If we could just keep it there, that would be ideal. Not drill through my fingy. Okay. That's a hole made in. With that like that, can we guide it together? Well, you never know if it works or not. Let's see. So we need to make some of these shorter now. There.
Why do I bother? I think these are like 8 quid or something online. That one will do there as well, so I'll cut them all the same length. Just really glue all your fingers together. Put some on the side, put some on the top. Don't really want it on the top because it's going to crack off. There's too much glue up on top of that there. Because I really want it to be down in the hole. And not on my fingers, whatever I do. Let's try and poke it in. The pin's bigger. The pins won't recess properly. The way they're meant to. They're meant to slide in under the black there, and they don't. Carve out a bit of black, replace the pins with something else. See if I can stick this one into the end here. God. Now we're winning, kinda. Right. So that one would go. Now it's just this one.
Yeah.
I'll take a little bit more off. Oh, we're almost there. Now. Okay, it's doing it, I think. The bit on the end isn't great, but we'll see if it holds. So down is open. So if I make it open and fit the little pins into the slots on the side, and then rest these in position. There we go, like that. Yeah, it seems to. Oh, almost. Okay, I think we're in correctly. Okay, let me snap this back on, hopefully this will go in without a fuss. Needs a lot of force. Alright. Simple as that. Now it's not completely closing, but it seems okay. That was a lot of work for something like that.
That was a lot of work. So thanks for watching. See you later. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Is your thumb up there?
Thanks for watching. See you later.
Thanks for watching. See you later. You do it.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
And in case you were wondering, I think second-hand parts are about 6 or 10 quid. You decide if it's worth it. That was about an hour of my life.